Now we're going to look at some functions that are really useful when you're working with large data sets. Now, these data sets that we're going to use in the next few examples are smaller to make it easier to demonstrate the concept, but these functions will become really useful when you're looking at data sets with hundreds or thousands of different observations. In this case, I have a list of cities and states, and you'll notice that all of them are lowercase. For presentation to my boss or a client, it might be important for me to capitalize these properly. Excel has a function for that called proper. I'm just going to type the word proper, open parentheses, and then refer to the text that I want to capitalize. And when I hit enter, it's going to take every single word and capitalize the first letter. I can drag that down. And now, instead of having to go in and type the first letter of every word, I can do that automatically in just an instant. If I wanted to change that back, Excel also has the lower function, which can change this to lowercase. And it also has the upper function, which can change your capitalization to uppercase. So please never go in and retype data like this. It's so much easier to use the proper, upper, and lower functions.